Namaskar students. So we have finished with the chapter 13. Name of the chapter is transportation and communication. So let us have a very quick revision. Transport and communication is very important for the industrial development of the nation. The countries which are having very good transport and communication are developed, like Britain, France, America. Apart from this development, there is also need of human resource development in the nation, which can only be due to the a good transport facilities in the nation. So transport is very important for the all-round development of a nation. Without this, development cannot be achieved. So, what are the modes of transportation? First, land, water, and air. Land is road, rail, pipeline. Water is internal and external ocean. Air is domestic and international. So, transportation, according to this, 3.3 lakh kilometer exists in India. The road transport is flexible, reliable, speed, door-to-door service is possible. And these are the reasons for which road can be built in instead of other sources because they can be formed in uneven and rocket landforms. Lesser number of people required, short distance, less quantity, door-to-door facilities. So your highways can be divided into Golden Quadrilateral, state, other, national, district, border road organization. Golden Quadrilateral project is the dream of the NDA government 1999, headed by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which joins Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. This is next is your national highway, which has been formed by Central Public Works Department. These are some of the national highways which passes from Rajasthan. National Highway 8, 11, 12, 15, 14. State highways are important as to the joining of state capital with cities, towns, and districts. 1,31,899 kilometers of state highways there in Rajasthan. They can be built through contract basis, and the PWD is responsible for this development. There are major district roads, and there are border roads. Border road has been formed by Border Road Organization for economic development and security preparation. These are some of the states where border road is there, apart from this Bhutan, where the road BRO is playing its role. Next is Rajasthan Road Vision 2025. Why it is important? Because the maintenance quality of roads, expressways, flyovers, four-line highways, and it is important because of the religious, tourism, mining, and industrial point of view. Railways is important for goods and public transport. 67,312 kilometers is there. Deccan Queen is the first electric train, first train Mumbai to Thane. Railways broad gauge, meter gauge, but now all the trains uh, lines are being converted into broad gauge. It is important for natural landform, economic and administrative role. They can be built in most of the landforms cannot be built on mountains. Now not Rajasthan, India is just focusing on DMIC, Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which also passes from Rajasthan. These are some of the important railway lines. After that, there's pipeline transport. Through pipeline transport, crude oil can be passed, and refineries are there in many places like Baruni, Mathura, Panipat. These are the places where the refineries are there. Then there's water transportation, as you all know, and we are having a 40,500 kilometer waterway, and the waterways can be internal and external. Let us talk about the internal waterways. NW1, NW2, 3, 4, 5. These are important. Now let us talk about the seaport. कांडला is important, Mumbai is important. मुंबई के पास में जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मरमगो, कोची, मैंगलोर, ट्यूटिकॉन, चेन्नई, विशाखापट्टनम, पैरादीप, कोलकाता, हल्दिया, ये important है। और पोर्ट वो अच्छे होते हैं जहाँ पे हाई टाइड हो और जो लाइन है वो जिगजैग हो, ठीक है। फिर एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट देख लेते हैं। सबसे फास्ट है, कंफर्टेबल, प्रेस्टीजियस है, हाई माउंटेन तक जा सकते हैं, डेजर्ट तक जा सकते हैं। नेशनलाइज हुआ अपना इंडियन एयरलाइन 53 में। इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स यहाँ ही छत्रपति शिवाजी और ये चंद्र बोस। फर्स्ट क्लास है अपना अगरतला, मोसी, गुवाहाटी, जयपुरी फर्स्ट क्लास है। उसके अलावा कुछ एयरपोर्ट्स हैं, जैसे सांगानेर एयरपोर्ट कहते हैं जयपुर को, और अभी नया खुला है किशनगढ़ में। कम्युनिकेशन सर्विस देख लें तो भाई पोस्टल, रेडियो, टीवी, टेलीग्राम सब जगह होती हैं। और अभी न्यू है, अभी इंटरनेट आ गया, टेलीफोन आ गया, और मोबाइल भी आ गया।